What's up, guys? We're here at Loretta Lynn's. It's been 2 years since we've been here. Of course, it rained on us and made it interesting for today. Track's drying out a little bit right now. I just drove around and was watching practice, and it actually looks pretty good. There's a couple soft spots, but I'm sure by the time we race, it'll be all right if we don't get any more rain. But I don't know. It's interesting. It's hot and muggy, and it's a little wet. If you go out of the line, I'm sure it's going to be a mess. So it's going to be a day for no mistakes and a good start. Just go out there and have fun for me. You know, I'm pretty far back in points now. I think I'm like 20-something back. So right now it's just, there's no pressure. So we're just here and having fun. And, you know, whatever happens, happens. Obviously, I trained hard and I'm here to win. So that's the goal. But, you know, we've been up and down year. So try to end on some ups.
Coming in here off Redbud, first pro podium, super stoked on that. It was an awesome weekend and just on a super high note right now. Coming in with obviously lots of confidence, and you know, weather's a little on the edge right now. Not sure how the weekend's gonna go, but you know, preparing for the best and still getting one podium down, shooting for another, and you know, just gonna go out with that mindset and see what we can do this weekend.
Self-control, it feels like I can't let you go. I'm at the point of no return. I'm flying, I'm gonna head for paradise. Nothing to see, I'm climbing.
just finished up here Loretta's Moto 2, came home with the 2-1 for the overall finish. Really put it together for the Moto 2, got a good start and just put down some really fast laps. Had a little gap at the beginning and just maintained it throughout the race. Just clicking them off. You know, something sparked in me that second moto and I just let it all hang out, and just super happy with the bike. We made some adjustments and it really worked out. You know, we're still building, we're gaining, and we're at a deficit still, but I'm just looking to make this machine better and just try to get up on the box, and we did it today. So super happy. Can't thank the Phoenix Racing crew enough. Yeah, so pumped. 2-1 overall. Here we go.